Here are some highlights of the July issue of Onsite Installer, brought to you by SludgeHammer. Install it, plug it in, and walk away knowing it works. SludgeHammer turns any septic tank into a high-performance treatment system. Fast to install, tough as nails, and built to crush solids before they cause problems. And that means fewer callbacks. Visit sludgehammer.net. Answer the phone, show up, do it right. That simple code built a one-man septic operation into a 35-person powerhouse in Texas Hill Country. From clean trucks to dynamite installs, literally, Cody Young proves that professionalism, pride, and picking up the damn phone still win in this industry. Designing septic systems for campgrounds isn't just tricky, it's a whole different animal. From RV dump stations and laundry surges to fish guts and formaldehyde, these sites push on-site systems to their limits. Erratic flows, kennel washdowns, and 15 loads of laundry a day. Designing a system for an Indiana animal shelter was no ordinary job. See how one contractor tackled high-strength waste, groundwater headaches, and 10 SludgeHammer units to bring this beast of a system to life. In a region full of rocky soils and tight budgets, Jared Willey is doing more than maintaining systems. This Vermont pro blends technical expertise with public outreach to grow his business and a much-needed regional association. Find out what the WIPES Act could mean for your workload and how funding opportunities in states like Georgia, Oklahoma, and Minnesota could bring more jobs your way. Whether you're chasing reliability, remote access, or real-time alerts, today's pump control panels and alarms are packing serious brain power. See what's on offer in the product focus. Ditch the tank hunts and job site guesswork. National Onsite puts septic history, maps, photos, and service records right in your pocket. It's the only app that tracks systems by property, not customer. All that and more is included in your free subscription to Onsite Installer magazine. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Onsite Installer. See you next month.